Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL, where we will learn how we can utilize move statement or a keyword. So if you remember, in some of our session, we just utilize move statement in order to achieve something, in order to move something, right? But we didn't discussed much about the move statement. So that's why we are starting from today itself. Like we are going to discuss various aspects of a move statement. We will see each and every basic thing related to move statement, like how we can use it, what all possible ways to use the move statement. These things we are going to discuss in this sessions. Okay. So, but before we start, I would like to recommend you, like if you have not watched the previously published sessions, then I request you to please go and check out the previously published session, because it will give you a clear understanding of ongoing topics, because all those sessions are in proper sequence and a sync. So it will be really very beneficial for you to complete the session in a sequential manner. Okay. So yeah, I think now we are good to start the session. So here you can see I have already created one program with the name test pgm1. So I'll just take option 2 over here to open this program in edit mode. Now here you can see we have a identification division block. This block is mainly used to show the program identity related information. For example, program ID, it is denoting test pgm1 program name, author, which is denoting author name. Okay. Likewise, if you have any other information which is related to your program identity, then that thing you can mention in the identification division block itself. Okay. After that, we have this these three line as a commented line. So you can see from line number 5 to line number 7, we have comment line. So you can count from the first position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is seventh position. So whenever you are trying to declare comment, you can put asterisk on seventh position. Asterisk means you just need to put the symbol. Okay. So whenever you put this on seventh position, it will be considered as a comment line. Now here I want to mention one thing. If your comment is not coming in white color, it's completely fine, because I have added some additional setting in order to change the color of my comment line. So don't get confused. If it is coming in the normal color, it's completely fine. Okay, it will not impact anything. Now why we are using these three comment line? Just to show you the topic name of today's session. Okay, even like comments are useful for only that purpose, like when you want to mention anything or when you want to specify anything, then in that case you can use this comment option. All right. Now further from line number 9, we have initiated the data division, and under this inside this data division we have working storage section. What is working storage section? Working storage section is mainly used to declare all those variables which we are going to utilize in our program. Okay, so whatever variable you want to utilize throughout your program will be declared under this working storage section. So from line number 12 to line number 14, you can see we have declared three variables. For this particular example, I just need three variables, so I declare only three. But if you want to declare more variable as per your requirement, you can declare it inside this working storage section itself. Clear? So let's see how we are declaring the variable and what all types we have declared. So the first variable is username from on line number 12. So here we are specifying the level number as 01, which is denoting higher data hierarchy. Then we have data name and variable name. So data name and variable name is mainly used to refer the variable. Whenever you want to refer this variable, you will use the same name. Then we have PIC denoting picture clause and X of 20 denoting alphanumeric 20. So X is denoting alphanumeric data type and 20 is denoting the length of the variable. So in short, you can say the line number 12 is denoting the username, is defining the username variable which can hold up to 20 alphanumeric characters. Clear? Likewise, we are declaring another variable, and this variable is of numeric time. So only difference is it is numeric type, right? So here you can see we are declaring in the same way. Firstly, we are specifying the level number, which is 0 1 higher data hierarchy. Then we have data name or variable name, user ID. Then we have PIC, which is denoting the picture clause. Username, user ID is just like when you want to access this variable, you can specify user ID. Then we have PIC denoting picture clause, and 9 of 2 is denoting numeric 2. So 9 is denoting numeric variable and 2 is the length of the variable. Clear? So you can say that line number 13 is declaring a variable which can hold up to 2-digit numeric value. Then we have another variable declared with the name new username from on line number 14. So why do we use this? I'm going to utilize this for our demo purpose, so that's why I've declared this. So here you can see we are specifying the level number as 0 1, which is showing the higher data hierarchy. Then we have data name or a variable name, new user name. PIC is denoting picture clause, and X of 20 is denoting alphanumeric 20 characters. Clear? All right. So now these are the three variables which we need for the demo, and we have declared it. Now it's time to start the procedure division. What procedure division is doing? It is denoting the that after this, like inside this procedure division, we will write the main logic of our program. So let's see the first use case of move statement. So here we can use move statement to move a literal to a data item. Literal means you want to move characters to a variable, then you can directly move it through this variable move statement. So you can see the line number 21, move Sharmit to username. So this is the exact syntax which we are supposed to follow in order to move characters to a variable. So just assume a scenario if you forgot to initialize the value at the time of declaration using value clause. So in that case, what you can do, you can simply use move statement to move your value to the variable. After moving the value, we are displaying the result. So here I'm displaying username so that we can see what is the exact value which we have moved to the username. So on line number 23, I'm just displaying that value. Now the second use case of move statement is to move a numeric literal to a numeric data item. So just assume a scenario where we are supposed to move numeric values to a variable. Then in that case we can utilize the same format. You just need to write move, then numeric value, which is 1 2 3, to user ID, and this is the user ID, which is a variable. Clear? So line number 27 will move the value 1 2 3 to user ID. Then we are using 29 line number to display the user ID. So same command, display user ID 29 user ID, and it will print the value 1 2 3 because we just moved the 1 2 3 value to it. Clear? Now the third use case of move statement is to move a data from one variable to another variable. Okay, suppose we have two variable as we have in this program, username and new username. So I want to move same value to new username. So instead of again initializing the value using either value clause or maybe through the move statement, it's better to take a copy, or you can say directly transfer the same data to another variable. So to do that, what we can do, we can utilize the move statement in a way that I am showing you on line number 34. So just write move your first variable name, which is username, to new username. So what it will do, it will transfer or copy the same data into another variable which we have passed here. So for example, here like we have initialized the username variable with Sharmit, right? Sharmit is a word. Now we want to move it to the new username, so we are just using move username to new username. Okay, and later when we display the username value, it will print the name Sharmit. Clear? Then we are using stop run, which will terminate the program. So let's see what output we are getting from these all lines. So I'm simply compiling my program, and now we will call it. So first output is coming as Sharmit because we just moved the text Sharmit to a variable, and this is the output of the first scenario. Then secondly, we were using the numeric values, so we just moved numeric value to this variable and it is coming like this 23. And for the third one, we just transferred one data from one variable to another variable. So it copied the data Sharmit to new username, and this is the exact value of new username. Both are same because we are moving in username value to new username value. So this is username and this is new username. Okay. So yeah, I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.